Hello from Singapore and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to unbox this some shipping from Long Beach, California, and big mahalo to Ohana for sending me this one. Okay, let's just follow me. I'm so excited to open this one. Okay. Like some head. Okay, so this is good. Ukulele chords plus intro and ending. Yep, there's some intros and endings here and some chords here. Wow, that's awesome. Relative tuning, ukulele fingerboard. Yes, this is good, right? Oh, I've got some sounds like a shaker here. This one's like your this one's like a tag. Ukulele tag for the soft case or hard case, right? I can put my name here. I'll share it with my students because they give me so many. Oh, nice. And oh, so cute. There's a some shaker here, right? Rhythm ring. Oh, so it means I can just put it here. Wow, this is like very innovative. You know, when I strum the ukulele, I can have this one also. Wow, never thought of that, right? This is very unique. Ohana ukuleles, very good. Some stickers, red, black, green, and blue. Yeah, I can share also with my students. And this one is cloth to clean up our ukulele. I think this is good idea because you know what? Besides playing ukulele, we have to maintain our instrument clean. And it's a good idea. I need to get into this habit, cleaning ukulele, even for myself. And this is the head, Ohana ukulele. Nice, right? And also with the black color head. So we've got two options here. So I've got two colors here. Two blues and one black. I can play blues with this. And take a look of this, Shakerlele. Yeah, so we've got a ring, shaker ring and Shakerlele. Yeah, the sound is different if you notice. This one is very high. This one is warmer. Shakerlele. Wow, thank you, Ohana. Let's see what else are here. Wow, awesome, right? The merchandise here. This is good. See, if you travel with your ukulele, right? And you need more space to carry your other things, your other stuff. So you can have this. Also, you can just put it here also, right? You can put it here. Hang here while you are carrying your ukulele at your back. Yes, this is the ukulele. Yeah. It comes with a soft case. Wow. It's a very padded soft case. This is good. Yeah. And the compartment looks like pretty big here. Yeah, if you need to put some cable here for your tuner, or maybe I think inside has a built-in tuner. Yeah. So if you have another tuner sandwich for your lunch, you can put here. Okay. This is very good. I love straps like this. Yeah, so it's well balanced, two-sided. And let's open to see the ukulele here. Wow! Take a look at the color. Beautiful. Wow! It's very glossy. Take a look at the finishing. Yeah, I will change it to low G and then play it. This one is all mahogany. I love the grain, beautiful grain. Yeah, so there's a it comes with a pickup here. I need to tune. Very, very good. Yeah, it comes with a tuner and preamp here. And this one, cut away. Right, so I can play until here. Nicely without any, like hitting the body here. See, take a look of the quality of the soft case here. The padded here. It's pretty much thick and protecting and comfortable. And we still have something else there. Well, there's another bag here. Wow! Beautiful! This one, the good thing is like, it's pretty much, it's more, how to say, it's not as flexible as the other one, yeah. So this one is, yeah, it's more sturdy. So if you keep your score inside here, I think it's good. It will keep it safely. Yeah. Wow. Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, some t-shirt. Looks like mine, right? At least the color, black color. Take a look at the t-shirt. Ohana ukuleles. Wow. Size-wise, oh, this is big. And there's some little flyer. And this one is the mission statement. Series here. Wow, this looks nice. DIY ukulele kit. Ukulele designed by you. Interesting. Yeah, I think you can try this one if you like. Color your own ukulele, I think. Oh yeah. This one is the models. They've got a solid top, all solid. Short scale, long scale, pineapples. Good for Chinese New Year, right? Wow, I love this vintage line. Wow, this is cool, beautiful. Mahogany. More than 4 strings. Limited edition banjo lily and guitar lily. And this one is the rhythm line. So they've got a bass here, they've got the percussion. Wow, this is all happening, the kickbacks. And some hard case, accessories. And this things is the one that I've been looking for. It's a bass, Ohana bass. Yeah, so it comes with a soft case here. Very nice soft case. Also, I can sling it nicely in two-sided. Woohoo! Oh, is it tuned? So this is the bass. Yeah, it's basically mahogany, back and side. Top, I think it's spruce. Yeah, so with the wound string here, yeah. There's a tuner here, right? Because it's with the pickup and tuner, preamp. I just need to put on some battery here later on and try it. Okay, just tune briefly. Yeah, let me try with the electronic later on, because obviously this is a best option rather than bringing like big bass, right? So this is more comfortable, like even for gigging, if the sound is great, so why not, right? So that's the point. Make it easy, lightweight, it sounds good. Yep. Once again, big mahalo to Ohana. You are all awesome and you are so generous with everything that I have received here. In this couple of days, I'll play and make some reviews of these things. Thank you for watching my video and I'll see you soon. Apparently after I wear this, it really fits me. Oh, so good.